In this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can copy data from one Excel sheet to other Excel sheet or inside the same Excel sheet, and how also you can copy complete Excel sheet into another Excel sheet. So let's say if we want to copy Netherlands, New Zealand, this data over here, we will right click over here selection and just say copy. Another way of doing it is pressing Control and then C. Control C is for copy, a keyboard shortcut. If I want to paste it in this cell, I will select this cell. Remember, this border should be rolling border over here. This means that the selection is complete. And if I want to paste it, I will press Control V. So Control V is a shortcut for paste. So I will just add it here for your reference. See, Control plus C will copy and Control plus V will paste it. These are the basic shortcuts available universally. Again, now if I want to align it to the column widths, I just double click over here. If I want to paste it again and I press Control V, it's an error because the highlighting box is not there any longer. So Control C and then again Control V. So Control V has multiple options, like whether I want to keep the column width as exactly as the source column width, whether I want to paste only values. Like if I had formulas over here, they would have been pasted as formulas, but if I don't want it to be pasted as formulas but only as values, I just need to select values. So let me show you quickly around what I mean to save. So let's say I enter a formula equal to say today, and this will give me a today's date, and I want to copy it and paste it in the new box. I pressed Control V, so it's value. So if I press values, it will return a value for this date. So it didn't return the formula, it returned as a value. Another way is like just paste it. We'll be keeping the same pasting. So this is what I meant by pasting, copying and pasting data. So multiple options are available in Excel which you can try out. Another option is like you can paste it as a picture. You can paste it as a picture, so it will be pasted as a picture. So you can drag it big, New Zealand. If I want to delete it, I will just say delete. That way it's quite flexible in copying and pasting data. Now let's say if you want to copy this sheet 5 into another Excel sheet, say book 1. Book 1, I want to copy the Excel sheet. So I go back to book 4 and I want to copy it to book 1. So I say copy, move or copy. So how did I go there? Take the mouse cursor over sheet 5, right click it once and click move or copy, and this option will pop up. So it asks whether you want to move the Excel sheet in the same book, like this book 4. So you can move it before sheet 1 or before sheet 2, before sheet 3. So let's say I want it to be before sheet 2, then I will just say OK. So it went to before sheet 2. See, sheet 1, sheet 5, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. Again, I will say move or copy, and if I want to create a copy before sheet 1 or end of sheet 4, let's say end of sheet 4, I want to create a copy of the same sheet in the same workbook, then I click create a copy corrected and sheet 4 after moving to be after sheet 4. I will click OK. So it went before sheet 4 and it's a copy of sheet 5 bracket 2. So if I want to copy sheet 5 to another workbook, I will click move or copy and select the book I want. So I want it to be in book 1 and I want it to be moved to end. Okay, and I click create a copy for that. Because if I don't create a copy, then this sheet will vanish from this workbook. That is, it will be deleted and it will be moved to book 1, but I want to retain this sheet inside book 4, so I am asking it to create a copy and I click OK. So I'm now in book 1 with the sheet 5 created. So the reason that there is sheet 5 bracket 2 over here is because sheet 5 is already a given name for an sheet inside the book 1. So Excel automatically renames the copied sheet to sheet 5 bracket 2. And here you can see like our sheet 5 is still retained in book 4. But if I want to remove this sheet, that is from book 4 to book 1, that is, I don't want to retain this sheet in this book 4, I just uncheck create a copy, which is already unchecked, and click OK. So I have got sheet 5 bracket 3 inside book 1, but now in this book 4 there is no sheet 5. It's like sheet 5 bracket 2, so sheet 5 is no longer present over here. Thanks for watching.